KAPPA Automate. Functions. Functions are the easiest way to process data channels in KAPPA Automate. They allow the creation of new data sets that are user-defined functions of any number of input sets of data. The principle of working with functions is first to define a function in the automation mode, and then to create as many function instances as necessary for any well or set of wells in PDG mode. This video shows how to create functions. A new function is defined following these steps. Switch to automation mode. A catalog of built-in and user-defined functions is selected by default. Create is clicked on. The new function is named. It must be unique and can be a combination of letters, symbols, and numbers. The function formula is defined. It is a character string with variables and a large choice of functions, arithmetic, logic, etc., which can be viewed under the Formula Definitions panel. Click on Parse. Once parsed, if the function string is successful, all identified input variables are listed in the dialog. Now, those variables are defined in the formula. Each input formula parameter can be either a dataset, a well property, or a constant. Dataset type, units, and label can be selected from the corresponding drop-down lists. New labels can also be added here if necessary. Finally, under Output, the data type and its unit are defined. Create is clicked on. Once a function is created in the automation mode, any number of function instances can be created for any well or any set of wells in bulk. To create a function instance for a well, go to PDG mode and open the relevant field. Select the well in the field hierarchy under which the instance will be created. Function is clicked on, and the function selected to instantiate from the drop-down list. This instance is renamed. If necessary, labels for the output dataset can be added here. If required, the default selection of inputs can be changed in the corresponding drop-down list. The available dataset selection is defined by a combination of data types and labels that were set at the function creation step, data types and labels assigned to the datasets, and the reference dataset of a given data type for the well. Under Output, the output format is changed if necessary, and the time range set. Create is clicked on. The output data channel is added under the Functions folder node in the field hierarchy. KAPPA Automate starts to process input datasets to calculate the output, which is updated when new input data are ready. Function instances can be created in bulk under the PDG mode. Once the required field is selected, switch the view to Well Flat View. The wells required to create the function instance in bulk are selected. Function is clicked on, and the same steps repeated as before. Note that when a function instance is created in bulk, it is not possible to set the input data channels for each well. The reference channels of the corresponding data type will be used automatically. This concludes this session on how to create functions in KAPPA Automate.